Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so you will be notified on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication. 453 times 9 is our first example problem, and we're going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So whenever you see a problem like this, I want you to think of it as 3 separate 1-digit multiplication problems where you regroup if the product is 10 or more. So we're going to start out simply multiplying 3 times 9, simply just multiplying the numbers in the ones place. So 3 times 9 equals 27. Now since our product is more than 10, the 7 in 27 is going to go in the ones place, the 2 gets carried over to the tens place. Next we're going to multiply 5 times 9, and then we have to add the 2 that we carried over. 5 times 9 equals 45, plus 2 is 47. Again, we have to regroup because our product is more than 10. So the 7 in 47 goes in the tens place. The 4 in 47 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 4 times 9 equals 36, plus 4 equals 40. And we have our final answer, 453 times 9 equals 4,077. All right, moving on to example number 2. So 568 times 7. So step 1, we are going to multiply the numbers in the ones place. We're going to start off by multiplying 8 times 7. 8 times 7 equals 56. 6, carry the 5. 6 times 7 equals 42. We have to add the 5 that we carried over. 42 plus 5 is 47. Again, we regroup because our product is more than 10. So the 7 in 47 goes in the tens place. The 4 in 47 gets carried over to the hundreds place. Five times 7 equals 35. Plus 4 equals 39. So we have our final answer, 568 times 7 equals 3,976. All right, moving on to the next example problem. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. $674 times 4. So we start in the ones place. 4 times 4 equals 16. The 6 and 16 goes in the ones place. The 1 and 16 gets carried over to the tens place. Seven times 4 equals 28, plus 1 equals 29. 9, carry the 2. Shout out to everybody tuning in and everybody in the chat. I appreciate you. 6 times 4 equals 24, plus 2 equals 26. And we have our final answer, 674 times 4 equals 2,696. All right, moving on to the next example. All right, next example. 783 times 5. So starting in the ones place, 3 times 5 equals 15. 5, carry the 1. 8 times 5 equals 40, plus 1 equals 41. 1, carry the 4. 7 times 5 equals 35, plus 4 equals 39. And we have our final answer. 783 times 5 equals 3,915. Next example. Shout out to everybody tuning in to the Mr. Camilleri Show YouTube channel. I'm glad you're here. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right, 958 times 9. So we start in the ones place. 8 times 9 equals 72. Again, every time we have a product more than 10, we have to regroup. The 2 and 72 goes in the ones place. The 7 gets carried over to the tens place. 5 times 9 equals 45. Plus 7 equals 52. Again, 2, carry the 5. 9 times 9 equals 81, plus 5 equals 86. $958 times 9 equals 8,622. All right, we're going to keep rocking out with 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication. It's the Mr. Camilleri Show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri Show. Shout out to Mr. C. Shout out to the person that just hit the like button. I appreciate you. All right, 739 times 8. 9 times 8 equals 72. 2, carry the 7. 3 times 8 equals 24. Plus 7 equals 31. 1, carry the 3. 7 times 8 equals 56. Plus 3 equals 59. We have our answer. 739 times 8 equals 5,912. All right, moving on. We're going to keep doing a few more examples. Probably going to go to a little over the 10-minute mark here. $837 times 6. Starting in the ones place, 7 times 6 equals 42. 2, carry the 4. 3 times 6 equals 18. Plus 4 equals 22. 2, carry the 2. 3 times 6 equals 18. Plus 4 equals 22. 2, carry the 2. And now 8 times 6. 8 times 6 equals 48. Plus 2 equals 50. And we have our final answer. 837 times 6 equals 5,022. All right, moving on to the next example problem. All right, 749 times 9. 9 times 9 equals 81. 1, carry the 8. 4 times 9 equals 36. Plus 8 equals 44. 4, carry the 4. 7 times 9 equals 63. Plus 4 equals 67. And we have our final answer. 749 times 9 equals 6,741. All right, moving on to perhaps the last example problem. live stream. $792 times 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. 4 carry the 1. 9 times 7 equals 63. Plus 1 equals 64. 4 carry the 6. 7 times 7 equals 49. Plus 6 equals 55. And we have our final answer. 792 times 7 equals 5,544. All right, that is my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.